Shimindo!
Today I have this really exciting package to open. It's the Eric chicken leg squishy. Oh yeah. Is it big? Does it look big on camera?
Yes, it's as big as your face.
Oh my god! Okay, squish test. These are so squishy! Okay, let's do a close up now.
Okay.
These are all the chicken legs I got. Alright, you ready? I'm gonna pour them out.
Ah!
There should be 12, so I am gonna count real quick. There are 12 chicken legs. So here is a close-up of the Eric chicken leg squishy. Here's the back of the packaging. And let me squish it in the packaging once. As you can see, it's really slow rising. Chicken leg. Very, very slow rising. Give a full body squish. It's really, really soft and super textured. So if you're interested in buying an Eric chicken leg squishy, it'll be on my eBay shop. And the links are all down below. And there you have it, the Eric chicken leg. Thanks for watching!